We have arrived back in Cosenza, and here in this bag we have the treasure, and we are going to cook some pasta. Hai fame? You're hungry?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Really hungry.
Yes, me too. Nobody knows what's here in the bag.
The bag.
It's our secret. Okay, guys. So what's going to happen now? Here we have our treasure, the 3 precious truffles that we found. We're gonna make pasta. It's the most simple dish.
Most simple dish. Yes.
Because when you have fresh truffles, you really don't need much.
So we used some tagliolini all'uovo.
Sì. Ma sono freschi, non sono quelli...
Sì. No, this is
quelli...
pasta fresca.
Yeah, pasta fresca.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
This one for the butter mix, for the cream, okay, because it's an uncinatum. You see, it has the color of hazelnut. This is tuber mesentericum. It's
so those
stronger. See?
Oh yes.
Look the difference. This is more gentle.
Yeah.
This is why the price is higher than this one.
So those are 2 different species of truffle.
Exactly. Okay. Start to brush. Yeah.
Gently? Oh, under the...
No, the truffle is quite tough, so
okay.
It's strong, you can be... Okay.
Ci siamo, dai.
Now that is done, we need to dry the truffle because the truffle doesn't like the water. Enough for 2 persons. And we let it melt.
Yes. We are putting a bit of cheese inside.
Yes, some taleggio cheese.
Yes. Okay, guys, so now we're cutting the mushroom. In the meantime, our butter and cheese is being boiled.
Yes.
Our water is being boiled. So the first truffle we're cutting to small pieces to put in the sauce, and the second one that's being dried here in the napkin, we're gonna
will be shaped on the
we're gonna cut to very thin pieces on the pasta using this special tool.
It can create some leaves of truffle, just some gentle leaves, like let me say rain of truffle. You see? We can a little bit increase the fire, just a little bit.
Yes. No salt?
Already put it inside.
Okay.
I will adjust just later when I will try if it's cooked or not.
I see. Yes, guys, the pasta is almost ready. This is how Italians cook pasta. They don't use a timer. They use their eyes, they use the resistance, and then they take one and they try it. And that's how you know it's...
I need to add some
salt.
Some salt.
Yes.
Okay. You see?
Yes. It already smells amazing, of course.
Remove the pasta when it's not completely cooked, in order to complete the cooking of the pasta when it's in the pan, okay, with the rest. So I think we are almost ready.
Okay, yes.
You can say cool parts of the job.
Yes. Oh man.
Truffle leaves on top.
Oh, the smell, guys, the smell. Allora.
Ready?
Yes.
Salute.
Amicizia e al tartufo.
E al tartufo. Salute.
Salute, ragazzi. E adesso siamo pronti.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Buonissimo. Sì. Il profumo and the smell, guys, is now we will finish our dishes and see you on the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.